Hello, this is Jason Matthews. I'm a retired law enforcement officer, and today I want you to watch this public domain, publicly released police body camera video, and I want you to tell me, based on case law, what this officer is allowed to do in this circumstance with this suspect. Let's get started. Now, based on what you're seeing right now, the officer, can he shoot this suspect in the back? He's running away. The officer is in pursuit. Based on case law from what you're seeing in this video, can the officer shoot a fleeing person in the back? He has his firearm out. He's pointing it at the suspect, and he's in pursuit. I want you to comment down below. And if you don't know case law, like a lot of people on this channel comment saying that police can and can't do certain things, but they don't know case law. If you do think you know case law, comment down below and tell me if the officer can shoot the suspect. And then next week, I will reveal another piece of the video. And the reason why I'm doing this is because police body camera footage is released to the public, especially if it's in the public domain. If it's in the public domain, you can do whatever you want with that video. You can release it as a short, which is very common, a YouTube short where only a piece of it is released. And then people have opinions, people comment on it, and they make judgments. So let's see. Even if you don't know case law, in your opinion, what do you believe the law is? What do you believe the police officer in this circumstance can do while in pursuit of this suspect? And we'll make this a series over a few weeks, revealing more and more about this video, and see if your mind changes or maybe it stays the same. And this is how I regularly trained people in law enforcement when I was a use of force instructor, conducting regular ongoing training on case law and use of force to law enforcement officers. This is how I would break down incidents. See you next week.